What's going on, guys? So today we're going to go through and clean up the wheels on the trailer, get them nice and clean. As you can tell, I've already started on one side, but I'm going to go ahead and do the step-by-step process on how to actually do it on this side. We're going to take the wheel off, do it the proper way, and this way you get a good idea as to how to actually polish these aluminum wheels. As you can tell, it's Alabama. It's raining. It's going to be a little loud, sorry for the noise, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this knocked out. So watch this as we take the wheel off, and then I'm going to show you exactly what tools and what polish I'm going to be using to get these wheels clean and good to go.
Perfect.
Okay, with the wheels set up down on the ground, we're going to make sure that we have it down there. I'm going to get my seat. I'm going to bring it over here. This way I can actually have something to sit on, make sure to support my back a little bit. And then we're going to go into and use the mother's cone, polishing cone. We're going to hook this up to our drill. And this is what we're going to use. And I'm going to use the mother's aluminum wheel cleaner, mother's aluminum wheel polish, which I have here in my cabinet. The mag aluminum polish. And we're going to use that to actually get these wheels cleaned up. Alright, with your wheel on the ground, you want to make sure that you take a damp rag, and this way you can actually go through and wipe the dirt that's access on the actual rim right now. We're going to go through and wipe all of this off, so make sure you get as much dirt as you can off the wheel. This way you don't have it stuck to your cone when you're actually polishing it. Sometimes you want to actually do this before you put your tire on the rim. I needed the rim and tire to be on the trailer before I actually started using it, so I went ahead and put the tire on. Just preference. It'd probably be a lot easier to do the wheel without the tire on it. Okay, with your mother's aluminum polish, you want to make sure that you shake it up real nice to get all the liquid and everything's mixed into it so that all the chemicals bond to each other. So you want to make sure that you do this, and then once you get done with doing this, you want to open it up. Make sure it's nice and pasty. So since this is all nice and pasty, it's good to go. What you want to do is you want to have this on your drill, your cone, and then just stick your cone off in the middle of it, get the tip of it wet. You go through and blotch where you actually want to use it. And then once you get it blotched out, then you can actually use your power drill itself. So I'm going to put a little bit more on here just to make sure. Sort of separate. Alright, now we're ready to use it. Now what you're trying to achieve here is to make sure that if you notice it's starting to turn a little black, and what that is oxidation is coming off of the wheel. So you want to continue to keep going as much as you can. And use that black to your advantage to keep rolling through and getting more and more of that oxidation out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this part cleaned up, and I'm going to show you the end result as to what it looks like before and after, and you can actually get a good idea as to what it's doing. Alright, so that's one pass that we actually did with it. So with one pass, you can tell, I'm gonna bring you over here. With one pass, you can actually tell that it's all nice and shiny. So you can start seeing my reflection inside the wheel. So this is the before of what it actually looked like, and now the after. It's a big difference. So we're going to continue to keep doing this. We're going to go ahead and get this wheel nice and polished and cleaned up. So continue to keep watching and enjoy this little fast forward that we're about to do. So. Okay, so what you want to do is once you start getting all the black marks around the actual rim itself, you want to take a rag and you want to wipe it away and get rid of all the black marks or black that you can to reveal some of the shine that's actually coming through. You're going to do that all the way around this rim. So next time you see this rim is going to be totally clean, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like once I get done with it. Alright guys, as you can tell, I got most of the wheel completed. If you look down here, it's nice and shiny. There are a few little spots that I need to get, like here is a little bit of blemish, as well as around the actual valve stem. But overall, I truly love the way these things turned out. So, big shout out to Ronnie Stewart. He's the one that he's my cousin. He gave me these rims for this trailer, but I like them. So, we're gonna finish out. We're gonna put it on this side, and then we're gonna finish out the other side. But overall, I'm pretty happy how they came out. So, with that being said, get out there, polish your wheels, get them aluminum wheels looking nice and pretty, so this way you can have things that you like around your shop, as well as on your car, that you can actually enjoy and everybody else can enjoy. So, get out there, be polishing. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. Otherwise, hey, it is what it is. I'm out.